Hi everybody, today we have this platform called KrispCall and this is the best cloud telephony for modern businesses. Now, before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Make sure to try that out. So, jumping onto the platform, so if you are running like any business that requires some communication and using different phone calls or let's say message services, this is the platform for you. Now the main thing to get started with it is that it have a lot of integrations that you can try out and get started with, like for example you have Zapier and much more. So the platform is going to be providing you different type of services, like for example you have this unified call box, and that is to access all your telephone interactions from Unifield, so you can do it all in one. And you also have your call log history, multiple numbers that you can add on to your platform, and using them you can communicate with various vendors, suppliers and customers. An amazing thing, you have your text messaging call transfers, so if you want to transfer calls to let's say another person who is in your niche or working in your team, you can do that as well. You have your phone number porting and much more. So an amazing thing to try out. You can see the platform looks something like this. On the dashboard you will be having your total credits on the left side of your screen. You can also purchase more credits related to your demand, so those are going to be using for different type of operations, like for example making calls and interacting with your clients and contacts. You can add your contacts. Your dashboard is going to be visible with your all of the details related to your contacts and services. You have your bulk SMS systems as well, and much more. So this is something that I highly recommend if you are needing like for example a virtual number as well. So you get this option of virtual number on the platform as well, since we are going to be communicating using our number of course. So this is something really important as well. Now if you are unsure about KrispCall and what people think about it, I have some reviews ready here for you guys. Like for example, perfect for global clients. Of course, if you have clients from all over the world, it is going to be serving you the best. You have KrispCall, a best in you can see, and also awesome features, easy setup and great support. So people in generally are loving the platform. Make sure to give a try to KrispCall using the link in the description below, using which you can get extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.